lovelies, it's Cindy from My Style Spot, and I'm super excited to share with you an awesome product. If you haven't heard about red light therapy, it is amazing. Thousands of studies have proven it to work and be useful for many ailments such as skin, anti-aging, health benefits, bones, joints, you name it, it does pretty much everything. So it's really awesome. I've been super excited to try it out. The Mito Red Light. And what sets this apart from other brands, because there's many out there, but most of them are only 2 or 3 watt, but Mito Red uses an impressive 5 watts. This is awesome, you guys. When you use this, you'll actually put your body part, whatever you want the red light therapy on, about 6 to 12 inches away. But if you read the fine lines with competitors, you're not getting that wattage from where you're putting the body part. But with Mito Red, you are. You're getting that 5 watts from the 6 to 12 inches, you know, where your body part is, in access to the Mito Red Light. So really amazing. It's really powerful, has a higher irradiance than other brands, which is going to give you better results and of course faster as well. You only have to use it for about 5 to 10 minutes a day on the body part that you want to do, and that's it. So pretty easy, very simple. There's so many amazing things that it works for. These things include pain relief, circulation, skin repair, even lethargy. It's beneficial for bones, for the joints, improve metabolism, regenerates blood. It can speed the healing of wounds or burns, or even scars, which is really amazing. It can boost liver function, alleviate allergies, boost enzymes, and even heal ligaments and sprains. And even works for anti-aging, for like wrinkles and stuff. It will actually help boost collagen in the skin. So amazing. So for me, I've actually used it because in February I sustained a pretty yucky knee injury snowboarding. Pretty sure I tore or at least stretched some ligaments in my knee really bad. And it's been really painful. It was a long healing process, and yeah, so I was excited to try the Mito Red Light when I got it. So I've been using it the last couple weeks on my knee, but also my face, because if I want some anti-aging benefits, who doesn't want that? So I've been super excited to try it out. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day on these body parts, my face, the front of my knee, the back of my knee, and it's been awesome. Yesterday when I went to hot yoga, I was for the first time able to do a toe stand on my left knee, which I have not been able to do. Stand requires your knee being completely bent and then your toes underneath, holding your weight. And I have not been able to do that. My knee has been sore, it hurts, I can't bend it all the way. But yesterday I successfully did it, and no pain today either. I'm not sore. So I can't help but think it has to do with this red light therapy that I've been using consistently every day for the last 2 weeks to help it heal. So very excited about that. Absolutely love it. This is the Mito Red, which is actually, this is the smallest size, but they have sizes ranging up to a full body panel, which would be amazing. I'm hoping to upgrade to that one day. That'd be awesome to hit everything all at once. You get 2 different lights with the Mito Red. So you have one here, and they're gonna help with different ailments. I actually just turned them both on at the same time. The one's a little light, can't really see that. And then the other one, much brighter. So I like to use them both at the same time. It also has a fan in here built in that's gonna turn on to keep your device cool so you can use it. I use mine for about 30 to 40 minutes at a time. You just wanted to use 5 to 10 minutes per body part. So I'll do about 10 minutes face, 10 minutes on the front of the knee, 10 minutes on the back of the knee, and that's how it works. It has a pretty nice long cord so you can use it easily with the body. It also comes with a way to hang it, so you could hang it over you if needed. For me, I found what works best is I just sit it on the floor and I just lay up next to it. I put my knee right up to it or my face right up to it, whatever I want to treat that day, and that's worked really well for me. So I really loved using the Mito Red Light Mini. Like I said, it boosts collagen, helps with cellular renewal. It will help with deeper muscle recovery, so it's great to use if you work out a lot and you have sore muscles or you're an athlete. And it also works with joint pain as well. In fact, my girlfriend is actually using it right now for tennis elbow, so I'm excited to see what her results are for that. So there's just so many things you can definitely use this for. It's handy to have long term. This is definitely something I'd hold on to and use in the future if I ever have any more pain or, you know, burns or wounds, maybe sunburns this time of year, whatever I've got. It doesn't say here, but I do believe the red light therapy would really be great for seasonal affective disorder or SAD. I tend to get that. I have pretty much my whole life in the winter, just kind of a depressed state in the fall and the winter when the cold and the snow hits. And for me, I've always craved the sunshine and light. I was addicted to tanning beds in my 20s. I know, which is awful, but for that light during the winter. So for me, I feel like I get that kind of boost when I use the red light. So I'm also excited to try that this winter for that as well. So there are so many uses, mental, physical, you name it. The red light therapy has been proven to work and proven to be effective for so many different ailments. So if you guys haven't tried it, I highly recommend trying it out. I've been super impressed, like I said, just with the recovery that I've seen in my knee in the short time and being able to do that toe stand yesterday, which was awesome. I'm super excited about that. I can't wait to keep using it long term, just for anything that comes up in my body or my skin, and see where it goes from there. So if you guys want to check them out, you can check them out at mitoredlight.com. Use my code MyStyleSpot and get 5% off the Mito Red Light. And they also come with 2-year warranties, so you know you're getting a good quality product. It also comes with a little eye cover, and they're actually working on studies to prove that red light is actually good for the eyes. But for now, I use this for sure when I have my face up against the red light. The lights are really bright. So just for extra protection of the eyes. But I love that it comes with it. It has everything I need. I just plug it in and I'm ready to go. So be sure to check them out, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for awesome free weekly content. If you like this video, please like, comment, or share. Thank you so much.